Hi guys, welcome back. So I have been having a lot of fun with my Google TV. So my assumption here was that since the operating system of the Google TV is Android, so basically I should be able to install all of the apps that I can install on my mobile phone, which is basically also on Android. So I set up on this journey to find out. I picked two apps for this particular test. I picked the Google Chrome browser, basically something which is proprietary to Google. And for the other app, as in a third party app, I selected GoToMeeting. Basically, I have used for GoToMeeting. So when installing Google Chrome, I found out that you just cannot install Google Chrome on your TV. That's really surprising because something that Google owns and not being able to install that on the same TV which is owned by Google, that does not seem correct. But anyways, that's the fact. After that, I tried installing GoToMeeting. I tried the same method I use with my Mozilla Firefox browser. So I picked the APK and I installed it, and it did install. But there was a caveat in there. I just could not see the app on the app section. I was kind of surprised. I went into the settings and I searched whether the app was installed correctly. And yes, the app was installed. But how was I supposed to use it? I could not understand how to do that. So I did some research on it and I did find a way. It's pretty simple, and through this video, I would basically like to show that to you. This will enable you to install all of the third-party apps which are installable and use them on your Google TV, basically making use of the full real estate of the TV. So at this point, I have GoToMeeting installed on my Google TV. But as I'll show you, in the app section, you will not be able to see the app. So let's go into the app section. Now I'll go to your apps, and as I scroll to the right, I cannot see the GoToMeeting app installed at all. But now as I go to the settings and into apps, see all apps, you can indeed see that GoToMeeting is installed, but it was not available on the app section. So there are two ways of actually opening this app. The first one, and the most simple one, is to go into the open button and just click it. It will take you to the GoToMeeting. But isn't this very cumbersome if you have got multiple third-party apps, and if you have to each time come into settings, apps, all apps, and then go to the app to open it? So this will actually be a shame, and it would reduce the experience that this great Google TV screen is providing. So in order to circumvent that, I have got another method that I employ. So let me show that to you. At this point, if someone wants to know how to install the GoToMeeting app, I have created a video, entire video for that with the detailed steps. I will link that video in the description box below. I will also have a card coming up here in case someone wants to view that video. So if you follow that, it will show you the complete steps how to install GoToMeeting. So after that, in order to install the SideLoad Launcher, which is the second method that I employ, press the Google Assistant button down on your remote and say, download SideLoad Launcher, Play Store.
Results for download SideLoad Launcher.
Select the first option and install it. Once you open it, you will see that you can see all of the apps that you have installed. It may be third-party apps also, but it will be seen in this launcher. So the basic premise here is that this app emulates a launcher, and with the launcher you are basically able to see all of those apps that are installed on the TV. This is actually a workaround for the Google TV, because on the app section Google just does not want to show you all of the apps, the third-party apps which you install. So now when you go to your apps screen, you will see that on the extreme right there's a SideLoad Launcher. Just open it and again you will see the GoToMeeting app or whatever app, third-party app that you have installed. Also at this point I would like to say that the Google Chrome browser, which we could not install, if someone has any information about that, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below, and I would have a shout out to them in the next video if it is verified correctly. Thank you for watching this video, and please like, comment, subscribe for such future videos. And in case you have any comments, do put it down in the comment section below and I'll try to reply to them as much as possible. Thank you.